Hi everyone, welcome to evening webinar. I'm Diana, your host for today's topic, Introductory to GitLab, GitLab Commercial Tier.
Today, you will be introduced to GitLab and its commercial tier, GitLab Premium and GitLab Ultimate. And of course, a Q&A session to get yourself a clear understanding about GitLab and its product. Without further ado, let's start. What is GitLab? GitLab is an open desktop platform delivered as a single application. As the DevOps platform diagram demonstrates, you are able to manage, plan, create, verify, package, secure, release, configure, monitor, and protect or defend using GitLab. That's 10 tools in a single platform. Great, isn't it? Now, let's look into the tools in GitLab. Manage. GitLab helps teams to manage and optimize the software delivery lifecycle with metrics and value stream insight in order to streamline increased velocity. Subscripts. GitLab supports subscripts. Through subscripts, you can separate internal or external organizations, organize large projects, make it easier to manage people and control visibility. Audit events. Audit events too allow GitLab owners or administrators to track important events, for example, an action of adding new user or removing user. Audit reports. GitLab helps owners or administrators to respond to auditors by generating comprehensive reports depending on needs. Compliance management provides customers with tools and features necessary to manage their compliance program. Code Analytics. This tool is designed for team leaders and it takes action on individual merge requests as well as reducing overall cycle time. DevOps Reports. DevOps Reports gives an overview of the entire instance adoption of concurrent DevOps from planning to monitoring. Value Stream Management helps business visualize, manage, and optimize the workflow through the DevOps lifecycle value stream. Insights. This tool configures the insights that matter for your groups to explore data such as triage hygiene, issues created, or goals per given period. Plan. GitLab enables portfolio planning and management through epics, groups, programs, and milestones to organize and track progress. Issue tracking is used to collaborate ideas, solve problems, and plan work. Time tracking. Time tracking helps you to easily estimate and record the time spent on issue and merge requests. Boards. Boards has one interface where it helps in tracking issue and communicate progress without switching between products. It has flexible setup where you can define the process and GitLab will organize it for you. Epics. Epics help you plan upcoming work by creating epics and mapping all relevant issues to them. Roadmaps. Roadmaps allow owners to visual portfolio and manage delivery. Service Desk. It allows your team to connect directly with any external party through email right inside GitLab criteria. Requirements Management allows users to set criteria to check your products against. Quality Management. It allows teams to create testing scenarios in existing development platforms. Design Management allows you to upload design assets to GitLab issue for easy collaboration on design with a single source of truth. Create. GitLab helps teams design, develop, and securely manage code and project data from a single and distributed version control system to enable rapid iteration and delivery of business value. In Create tool, it supports source code management. This tool enables coordination, sharing, and collaboration across an entire software development team. Code review. Code review enables your team to collaborate, review, and improve their code. GitLab Wiki allows your team to share documentation and build organization information with a built-in wiki editor. Static Site Editor enables users to edit content on static websites without prior knowledge of the underlying templating language, site architecture, or Git commands. Web IDE, a full-featured integrated development environment, makes it easier to contribute changes to your project by providing an advanced editor with commit staging. Live Preview. Live Preview uses Web IDE to preview JavaScript project right in the browser in real time. Snippets. GitLab Snippets allow you to store and share bits of code and text with other users. Verify. This tool gives strict quality standards for production code with automatic testing and reporting. With continuous integration, CI, it makes releases to be happen several times a day. Code testing and coverage. Code testing and coverage ensure that individual components built within a pipeline perform as expected. Load testing. Load testing allows you to test any pending code changes to your application backend in GitLab CI/CD. Browse performance testing. Browse performance testing allows you to determine the rendering performance impacts of pending code changes in the browser quickly. Usability testing. Through GLCI/CD, it ensures usability works and are actually understandable and valuable to your users. Accessibility testing. Accessibility testing through GLCI/CD, it allows you to determine the accessibility impacts of pending code changes. Merge trains. It introduces a way to order the flow of changes into the target branch. Package. Package create consistent and dependable software supply chain with built-in package management. Package create consistent and dependable software supply chain with built-in package management. Package registry. With GitLab Package Registry, you can use GitLab as a private or public registry for a variety of common package managers. Container Registry. It is a secure and private registry for Docker images built into GitLab. Helm chart registry. Helm chart registry. Built-in Helm chart registry allow better self-managed container orchestration. Built-in Helm chart registry allows better self-managed container orchestration. Dependency proxy. GitLab Dependency Proxy serves as an intermediary between your local developers and the world of packages that need to be fetched from remote repositories. Release evidence includes all the assurance and evidence collection for you to trust the change you are delivering. Git LFS. This is an extension that reduces impact of large files in your repository. Next, secure. GitLab provides static application security testing (SAST), dynamic application security testing (DAST), container scanning, dependency scanning for secure applications with license compliance. SAST scans the application source code and binaries to spot potential vulnerabilities before deployment. Secret detection. Secret detection check credential and secret incoming. Code quality. Code quality automatically analyze source code and determine if quality is improved or worsened. DAST. Analyze running web app for known runtime vulnerabilities. Fuzz testing. Coverage-guided fuzz testing helps discover bugs and potential security issues. Dependency scanning. It automatically finds security vulnerabilities in your dependency while developing and testing your application. License compliance. Through license compliance, you are able to search your project dependency for their license. Vulnerability management. You can view, triage, trend, and track and resolve vulnerabilities detected in your application through vulnerability management. Next, release. The integrated CD solution allows you to ship code with zero touch. Continuous delivery. Continuous delivery. Deliver changes to production with zero touch software delivery. Pages. Pages use any static site generator to create websites that can be managed and deployed easily by GitLab. Reviews apps. Reviews apps give full production-like environment for every merge request that updates on each commit. Advanced deployment. GitLab Auto DevOps reduces complexity of software delivery by setting up pipelines. Feature flags. Feature flags enable teams to achieve CD by letting them deploy dark features to production as smaller batches for control testing, separating feature delivery from customer launch and roaming. Release orchestration. Management and orchestration of release as code built on intelligent notification, scheduling of delivery, and shared resources like cloud, preview, relationship, parallelization, and sequencing, as well as support for integrating manual and intervention. Configure. GitLab helps teams configure and manage application environment, strong integration to Kubernetes, reduce effort to define and configure the infrastructure required to support your application. Auto DevOps. Through Auto DevOps, commit your code. GitLab will do the rest to build, test, deploy, and monitor automatically. Kubernetes management. Connect Kubernetes clusters to GitLab for deployment and insight. Secret management. Secret management securely deploy with the CI/CD variables, deploy keys, deploy tokens, and HashiCorp vault integration. ChatOps. Tight integration with Lex and Mattermost make it easy to manage, automate software development and delivery right from your chat app. Serverless. Run cloud-agnostic serverless workloads on Kubernetes. Deploy via GitLab CI/CD. Infrastructure as code. Manage your infrastructure effectively to create, configure, manage, complete software development. Cluster cost management. Provide insights into cluster resource usage. Monitor. Get feedback and the tools to help you reduce the severity and frequency of incidents so that you can release software with confidence. Runboost is a collection of documented procedures that explains how to carry out particular processes such as starting, stopping, debugging, or troubleshooting. Metrics. GitLab collects and displays performance metrics for deployed applications leveraging Prometheus. The impacts of merge can be determined without leaving GitLab. Incident management enables developers to easily triage and view the errors and incidents generated by their application. Logging. Kubernetes log. GitLab makes it easy to view logs of running pods or managed applications in connected Kubernetes clusters. Tracing provides insight into performance and health of a deployed application, tracking each function or microservice which handles a given request. Error tracking allows developers to easily discover and view errors that their application may be generating. Product analytics uses events sent from your application to know how they are using it. Protect or defend provides cloud-native protection including unified policy management, container scanning, and container network and host security. Container scanning is check local image for known vulnerabilities in the application environment, analyze image contents against public vulnerabilities database. Security orchestration. Unified policy and alert security orchestration capabilities across all GitLab scanner and security technologies. Container host security provides intrusion detection and prevention security capabilities that can monitor or block activity inside containers themselves. It detects and responds security threats at the Kubernetes network and host level. Container network security allows implementation of network policies in Kubernetes to detect and block unauthorized network traffic between pods and to or from the internet.
It is comprehensive. You can visualize and optimize your entire DevOps lifecycle with platform-wide analytics within the same system where you do your work. It is seamless. You can use a common set of tools across teams and lifecycle stages without dependencies on third-party plugins or APIs that can disrupt your workflow. It is secure. Scan for vulnerabilities and compliance violation with each commits. Transparent and compliant. Automatically capture and correlate all actions from planning to code changes to approvals for easy traceability during audits or retrospective. It's easy to adapt. Learn a single UX, manage a single data store, and run it all on your choice of infrastructure.
GitLab Commercial Tier. GitLab Commercial Tier offers three products, which is GitLab Premium and GitLab Ultimate. GitLab Premium is ideal for scaling organization and multi-team usage, while GitLab Ultimate is ideal for projects with executive visibility and strategic organizational usage. GitLab Premium, which is ideal for scaling organization and for multi-team usage, it adds enterprise-level support with priority support, live hybrid assistance, and a technical account manager and enterprise readiness features like high availability and disaster recovery. It enables multi-project management to allow many teams to use the product. It also helps you to deploy with confidence with operation dashboards, protected environments, load performance testing, and multi-project pipelines visualization. Its capabilities include increased operational efficiencies, deliver better products faster, and reduce compliance risks. Let's look into every capabilities. Increase operational efficiency. Increased operational efficiencies allow enterprise analyze team, project, and group trends to uncover patterns and set up consistent standards to improve overall productivity. Deliver better product faster. Deliver better product faster supports enterprise-grade high availability, disaster recovery, and replication for geographically distributed organizations, thereby delivering improved uptime and performance. Reduce compliance risk. It supports features like instant events, self-managed only, verified committers, signed commits, which allow you to enforce and track compliance policies in your organization. GitLab Premium Specific features include implement more controls, improve productivity, streamline project planning, deploy with confidence, manage compliance in the DevOps process, dashboard and analytics, achieve high availability and disaster recovery, and enterprise-level support. Implement more control. Security control key actions, allowing only selected profiles to perform them. Its features include multi-approvers, merge approvals, code owners, protected environments, push rules, restricted push, and MRS. Improve productivity. Streamline login, avoid downtime, minimize outage, and reduce latency between distributed teams. Ensure that the development teams are always able to be productive. It understands team contribution and identify opportunities to feedback in context and in the right merge request. Its features include productivity analytics, contribution analytics, customized valuable string analytics, repository analytics, group and file templates, code quality, visual reviews, advanced research, and consolidate alerts from different IT alerting tools. Streamline project planning. Streamline project planning manages multiple agile projects programs with intuitive and easy-to-use dashboards and reports to track issues and milestones across multiple projects. Distribute different tasks to different team members and let them work together to deliver results. Its features include roadmap, single-level epics, confidential epics, group backlog management, group milestones boards or lists, group wikis, assignee boards or lists, group issue boards, issue analytics, weight, multiple assignees, and related issues. Deploy with confidence. Deploy with confidence accelerates software delivery with integrated deploy and release management. Maintains an end-to-end picture of how your applications are deployed and delivering business value. Its features include operations dashboard, multi-project pipeline visualization, merge streams, browser performance testing, and load performance testing. Manage compliance in the DevOps process. These features simplify compliance with and traceability with enterprise features built into the developer's workflow. Its features include instance events, audited users, verified committer, require signed commits, IP access restrictions, and smart card authentication. Dashboard and analytics. Dashboard and analytics has features like operation dashboards, productivity analytics, contribution analytics, customizable value stream analytics, repository analytics, issue analytics, and code review analytics. Achieve high availability and disaster recovery. Achieve reliability and performance of your DevOps service through geographic replication and HADR solution. The features include high availability via our reference architecture, disaster recovery, geographic replication, and maintenance mode. Enterprise level support. Enterprise level support gives priority support, minimize outage and downtime with 4 hours response to time for regular business support, and 24/7 uptime support with a guaranteed 30 minutes response. Other features include live upgrade assistant and technical account manager. GitLab Ultimate, which is ideal for projects with executive visibility and strategic organizational usage. Ultimate enables enterprises to transform IT by optimizing and accelerating delivery while managing priorities, security, risk, and compliance. In other words, it provides advanced application security and executive-level insight. GitLab Ultimate enhances configuration and monitoring, application security testing, and security dashboard. In addition, it gives 4 hours business support, compliance dashboards, free guest users, and IP restrictions. Let's look into GitLab Ultimate capabilities. The capabilities includes increased operational efficiency, deliver better products faster, and reduce compliance risk. Increase efficiencies. Increase operational efficiencies. It enables enterprise to maintain a consistent DevOps experience with a single scalable interface for end-to-end DevOps. Improves developer satisfaction and productivity with more time for value-added projects rather than spending time learning different toolsets and integrating them. DevOps dashboards and analytics available in Ultimate facilitate greater visibility and transparency across projects. It helps to improve efficiency and eliminate bottlenecks in the organization. It also introduced project insights and portfolio management in the products to increase organizational efficiency. It also introduced project insights and portfolio management in the product to increase organizational efficiency. Deliver better products faster. It enables seamless collaboration across dev and ops with continuous innovation. This continuous feedback loop from customers, deployment, and monitoring operations back into development helps enterprise create products relevant for customers, go to market faster, and meet competition as well. It allows rapid iterative deployment of better quality software. Ultimate enhances configuration and monitoring to deliver products faster, since every change undergoing rigorous testing, security and compliance testing, and incremental deployment. Reduce compliance risk. Reduce compliance risk help reduce and manage risk from security and regulatory compliance by identifying vulnerabilities and compliance issues before the code ever leaves the developer's hands. Reduce risk by introducing application security testing, security dashboards, and more advanced command control and audit. GitLab Ultimate specific features include security, compliance, project portfolio, and requirements management, dashboards, and analytics, and others. Security. GitLab Ultimate weaves security into the pipeline to provide early and actionable feedback to development teams. Static application security testing. Its features include static application security testing (SAST), dynamic application security testing (DAST), dependency scanning, container scanning, security center, API fast testing, coverage-guided fast testing, and vulnerability management. In compliance, the compliance tools provided by GitLab let you keep an eye on various aspects of your project. The features include license compliance, compliance dashboard, credential inventory for self-managed only, project portfolio and requirements management. GitLab Ultimate enables portfolio planning, tracking, and execution in one tool that unifies the team to focus on delivering business value. The features include multi-level EP, requirement management, project insight, and test cases. Dashboards and analytics. Dashboards and analytics include security dashboard, security alert dashboard, release analytics, compliance dashboards, and DORA format, and others. Others include free guest users, tester speech, and auto rollback. GitLab Premium against GitLab Ultimate. What's the difference? GitLab Premium extends the DevOps lifecycle. Bring your own GitLab CI runners. Deploy to any production environment. Include free static websites, better code reviews, project management, release control, 24/7 support, and you can get 10,000 CI/CD minutes per month. And GitLab Ultimate It has every feature in GitLab Premium. With addition, advanced security testing, portfolio management, compliance, free guest users, and you get 50,000 CI/CD minutes per month. In summary, GitLab Premium is for your team, and it is upgraded into GitLab Ultimate. As GitLab Ultimate has all features in GitLab Premium, and it is for your organization.
You can email to info@eastspring.com if you have any questions about GitLab products, or visit our website for more information. Thank you. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for listening. See you again.